All right. So welcome everyone to this live session here with your host, Trade Day FX. So as we do every weekday, we look at the Forex and indices market. So US 30, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. And for the Forex market, so Euro USD, GBP USD, and Euro GBP. So let's get on to it. Just want to make sure that everything is set up here properly, guys. So hope everyone had a great Thursday morning. Tuesday morning. I said Thursday. Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning in the market. We did have a good London session here this morning. So if you weren't on that session, you missed out good setups, and I was showing the indicators results to a few members. So hope you like what we got so far. So I'm just going to make sure that everything is set up properly here. Hi, Leon. Hope you have a great day. So I will be on the New York session Discord at the same time. So if you want to speak with me, you can do so, and we will look into the market at the same time. So let's get on to it. So let's see how everything's going here so far this morning for the indices. So indices here, we did have some sell setups here on US 30. So we're bearish here since let's say here. So we're bearish here since this point here. So since this point, so since Wednesday, we're bearish on US 30. So now it's starting to do the move. So we had two sales setups here, one at London, and another one here started in New York. So at 8, so we had a sell setup here that is currently hitting a TP3 and smashing it. So right at the start of the New York session. Let's look at NASDAQ. So NASDAQ on the 15-minute chart. This is where we're at right now. So NASDAQ still seeing bullish here, but it's gonna start to go bearish here. Usually, sometime NASDAQ or US 30 will do the move before the actual move. So so that way you can monitor it. It's same thing for S&P 500. So looking for bearishness here. We do have some news this week, so make sure to be aware of that, guys. We have some news starting today, I think, at 8. Let me double check here. We do have NFP this week on Friday. We have unemployment claim on Thursday. And we have ISM service PMI at 10 this morning for the US. And later on, we have Australian dollar. And I'm just looking at the currencies that they usually trade, but for the US, yes, we do have some news tomorrow. We have not NFP unemployment change, ADP. And let's see here, Wednesday. Yeah, we have a lot of news here this week until the end of the week. So unemployment claim, unemployment rate. We have now farm on Friday, so at 8:30. So a lot of stuff here. All right, perfect. So let's continue. right, let me go back here. Perfect. Now, Euro USD. So Euro USD, this is where we're at right now. I'm just gonna change it. I was on the daily, but I'm gonna go on the 15 minute chart. So on the 15-minute, we're bullish here. We did have a move on the 15. So bullishness here on the 15. Then we have GPUSD. So we were bearish here last week. Then currently bullish. But I'm waiting to see exactly what's going to happen here for oh, that's NZDCHF. Give me 2 seconds. USD. Yep. Boom. Yeah. So we were bullish here on GU since Monday. So bullishness here, as you can see. Everything's going up here. And this is where we're at here with the TP. So that one hit TP, went to TP 1 2, and now it's a little bit consolidating here. And finally, we're gonna go on Euro GBP, and we're gonna look at the 15, and we're gonna go Euro GBP. Euro GBP, let me check to see if no, that was not open. So let's open this. So we're still bullish on Euro GBP. So that means that currently the euro is still stronger. But now it's going down. So that means that the British pound here is getting stronger right now against the euro. That's why the euro is falling right now. Okay. So currently waiting for SR. That means that we're switching red. So that means that we will be looking for bullishness here, bearishness here in the market. All right. Perfect. And as always, if you have any questions, put them in the chat. If it's you're looking at the replay, you can still put your question in the chat, or you could send me. You could fill out the form if you want to have access to the indicator. So this is my own custom indicator here. It's proprietary to me. This is 10 years of knowledge that I put on an indicator for you to use, and only a select few will be able to have access to it. And as always, it's not going to be cheap to get that. And by getting the indicator, you're going to have access to our community. It's a Discord community that you're able to chat with the members, and you're able to do live sessions here with me for London. So London is only for paid members, and yeah, and we're gonna have fun here all year. Great. So we're gonna wait until the top of the hour here to see how the ASM PMI will react, how the market will react with the news event, and we're just gonna still continue looking at that, and we're gonna close out the session afterwards. Elion, yeah, doing good. Yeah, I sleep very good. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. And I even noticed like in the there was like a few trades that lost yesterday, and I forgot to activate a feature on my thing. So basically, I wouldn't have those losses. Those were like two big losses. There was like almost 0.6%, but uh, but it's all good. Yeah, yeah, it's way better. So basically, I'll show you exactly what I. Okay, give me 2 seconds. I'm just gonna see the news. So we have a switch red. Yeah, so that's what we were waiting for yesterday for Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is switching red on the 15 officially. So let's see. Close that. I was just talking about Nasdaq a few minutes ago. I was waiting for it to switch red. So now it's switching red right now. So that's perfect. So 4 hour is switching red as of now. Perfect. So switch red right now. Perfect. And we have a sell at the same time. So even better. Yeah, so I'll show you exactly what I was talking about. I'm gonna minimize that, and I will go on this one and open. I'm just gonna close that. Open the yen pair, GJ, and boom, and I'll put it on the 5 minute. So I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So basically, the if you look here, uh, basically the automation took a sell here. It took a sell here and then started and took a buy. But as you could see, the trend is bullish. So since I didn't activate the filter of the EMA, it took that sell, but it shouldn't took that sell at all. It should only be taking the buy. So because of this move here, that lost $300. So 0.30 cents, 0.30%. And that was the same thing for Euro JPY. I'm just gonna load up Euro JPY, and same thing happened here. This move, this sell here shouldn't be there. This one would have taken that sell. Yeah, it would have taken that sell. That's no problem. But the other one, it wouldn't take it at all. So we would be like to 0.3% positive, because shouldn't have taken that trade at all. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. The yen pairs are still moving bearish, so all good. Mm-hmm. That which currency? Oh, okay, okay, that's what we're talking this morning. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Perfect. For what? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. No, New York. No, I closed. Basically, I closed the automation for. I still have like three pairs running right now, so I still have the Nasdaq's, the NZD Swiss, GBP Swiss, and Odd Swiss. So yeah, I have three open trades, but there I don't have like new trades coming in. Yeah, yeah, exactly. So yeah, so it's still running, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm just waiting for them to do their thing, and we're gonna restart it at the Asian session later on tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, but I'm gonna see exactly how the market goes, but I may close them out, but I'll see how it goes. I may Yeah, yeah, everything it's already managed, so I don't have to worry about anything. But so if it hits, it hits. So I don't care. But right now they're in drawdown right now. So I don't know. I don't know if where they're gonna go. Yeah. So yeah, I have two buys and one sell. So I have two buys on Odd Swiss. I have Odd Swiss as a buy, GP CHF as a buy, and NZD CHF as a sell. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So, but that's off of the setup that I have. So it's not. Yeah. Let me close. Let me close. I'm gonna close the. I'm gonna close YouTube, so can continue on Discord. So we'll be back tomorrow, guys, for another New York session at 9:30 a.m. So if you're looking at the replay, make sure to like and subscribe, and you could look at previous videos here on my YouTube channel. So have a good one. Peace.